ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯡ ꯀꯩꯁꯥꯝ ꯔꯣꯅꯦꯟ ꯑꯩꯍꯥꯛ ꯗꯦꯜꯂꯤ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯠꯀꯤ ꯚꯥꯏꯁ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯦꯁꯤꯗꯦꯟꯠ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯨꯖꯔꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯋꯥꯔꯜ ꯃꯩꯇꯩ ꯀꯥꯎꯟꯁꯤꯜ ꯁꯤꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯑꯦꯛꯖꯤꯀ꯭ꯌꯨꯇꯤꯚ ꯃꯦꯝꯕꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯨꯖꯔꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯊꯝꯖꯅꯤꯡꯂꯤꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯦꯁꯀꯤ ꯃꯐꯝꯗ ꯊꯝꯖꯅꯤꯡꯂꯤꯕ ꯋꯥꯐꯝꯗꯤ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯁꯦꯀ꯭ꯔꯦꯇꯔꯤ ꯖꯦꯅꯔꯦꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯨꯕꯤꯔꯝꯕ ꯋꯥꯔꯜ ꯃꯩꯇꯩ ꯀꯥꯎꯟꯁꯤꯜꯗ ꯌꯥꯝꯕꯦꯝ ꯑꯔꯨꯟ ꯃꯍꯥꯛ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯒꯨꯋꯥꯍꯥꯇꯤꯗ ꯂꯥꯛꯇꯨꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯥꯎ ꯐꯪꯖꯩ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯅ ꯁꯤꯟꯗꯨꯅ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯃꯤꯇꯤꯡ ꯑꯃ ꯒꯨꯋꯥꯍꯥꯇꯤꯗ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯚꯔꯁꯤꯇꯤꯗ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯋꯥꯔꯜ ꯃꯩꯇꯩ ꯀꯥꯎꯟꯁꯤꯜꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯡꯗ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯇꯥꯖꯕ ꯐꯪꯏ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯋꯥꯔꯜ ꯃꯩꯇꯩ ꯀꯥꯎꯟꯁꯤꯜ ꯑꯦꯖ ꯑꯦ ꯐꯣꯔꯝ ꯑꯦꯖ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯑꯣꯔꯒꯅꯥꯏꯖꯦꯁꯟ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯆꯧꯕ ꯀꯟꯁꯔꯟꯅꯤ ꯃꯔꯝꯗꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯌꯥꯝꯕꯦꯝ ꯑꯔꯨꯟ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯋꯥꯔꯜ ꯃꯩꯇꯩ ꯀꯥꯎꯟꯁꯤꯜꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯀꯤ tauba yadaba illegal activity haibadi without the consultation of the CEC, without the consultation with the chairman World Meeting Council gi mahagna maning tamna already resigned tawkraba hanagi chairman oibiramba waja Haigrujam Nabasyamga tana duna World Meeting Council ama tongana puthuknaba makogi personal level da honanaba tawbiramba aduduna mahakpu World Meeting Council na already terminate tawbikrabni adugu mahak ngasisu mafam da chatuna World Meeting Council gi maming lauduna meeting pangthokli loinana any news khangde social media channel khangde mahak World Meeting Council gi maming sijunaduna mahakna ipaw phongba khangde makoi World Meeting Council gi mingda thabak pangthoknaba honai masi akoi gi World Meeting Council as a body, as an executive body and as a group of World Meeting Council body ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯑꯣꯄꯣꯖ ꯇꯧꯏ ꯃꯔꯝꯗꯤ ꯃꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯋꯥꯔꯜ ꯃꯩꯇꯩ ꯀꯥꯎꯟꯁꯤꯜꯒꯤ ꯃꯦꯝꯕꯔ ꯑꯃ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯃꯈꯣꯏ ꯋꯥꯔꯜ ꯃꯩꯇꯩ ꯀꯥꯎꯟꯁꯤꯜꯒꯤ ꯁꯔꯨꯛ ꯑꯃ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯍꯦꯟꯕ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯋꯥꯔꯜ ꯃꯩꯇꯩ ꯀꯥꯎꯟꯁꯤꯜꯒꯤ ꯃꯃꯤꯡꯗ illegally without informing anybody in the organization ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯋꯥꯔꯜ ꯃꯩꯇꯩ ꯀꯥꯎꯟꯁꯤꯜꯒꯤ ꯃꯃꯤꯡꯗ ꯑꯃ ꯔꯦꯖꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯁꯟ ꯇꯧꯔꯝꯕ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯃꯗꯨꯁꯨ ꯑꯣꯜꯔꯦꯗꯤ ꯀꯦꯟꯁꯦꯜ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯈ꯭ꯔꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯁꯨ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯋꯥꯔꯜ ꯃꯩꯇꯩ ꯀꯥꯎꯟꯁꯤꯜꯒꯤ ꯃꯃꯤꯡ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯕ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯄꯕ꯭ꯂꯤꯛꯄꯨ ꯃꯤꯁꯂꯤꯗ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯋꯥꯔꯜ ꯃꯩꯇꯩ ꯀꯥꯎꯟꯁꯤꯜꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯏꯃꯦꯖꯇ ꯁꯣꯛꯄ ꯃꯥꯡꯍꯟꯕ ꯄꯨꯔꯛꯏ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯕ꯭ꯂꯤꯛꯄꯨ ꯃꯤꯁꯂꯤꯗ ꯇꯧꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯩ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯦꯁꯀꯤ ꯊꯣꯡꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯋꯥꯐꯝꯁꯤ ꯊꯝꯖꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯔꯨꯟ amadi oja Haigrujam Nabasyam makoina World Meeting Council gi mingda thokliba any news any activity masi World Meeting Council ki saru amanatte masi makoi personal level da makoina World Meeting Council bu lana ming sijinaduna thokpa waroni thabak thawramni haibase ai press ki thongdagi mayam gi phanda thamjage